Hey guys, Moshe the Electric Israeli is here, and thank you for joining my channel. If you're new, please subscribe and help me change the world one electric car at a time. Thank you to all my patrons and those who ordered a Tesla using my referral code. And I want to share with you a tweet that Elon Musk just sent today, February 10th. Just read it off to you. It's a little confusing. Tell me if you can figure it out. Tesla April company talk will be from our Giga in New York factory, that's in upstate, that's in Buffalo, New York, where we make SolarGlass and several other products. We will also offer customer and media tours. That's great. Now let me read to you a couple other things that he said. We are going to be kind of like a battery day, just the kind of to explain more about this and what our plans are. I think probably it's going to make sense to do it after the end of this quarter, because I think it's going to be insane. It's going to be kind of insane at the end of the quarter, like it was at last quarter. So tentatively, sort of April time frame, we will do a battery day and kind of go through what are the challenges. Now, how we get from here? I don't know. A couple of thousand gigawatt hour a year or something. This is very pragmatic sentences. The degree of which SolarGlass will positively affect the energy sustainability in neighborhoods throughout the world, and not yet well appreciated. I agree with that. This is very important product. Well, if you remember last year, Elon Musk talked about a powertrain / battery day. Now he's like shifting towards solar glass and roofs. He talks about 1,000 roofs per week that it's produced last year. So I'm not sure. Is this a battery day? Is it instead of the battery day? Is it a combination of battery day plus a solar glass day? What is it? I'm not sure. One thing I can tell you, and that I sensed at the quarter 4 call last time, is that Tesla is having an immense challenge producing enough batteries. Period. Not that they cannot, it's just they cannot keep up. He even said, if I produce batteries for the semi-truck, I will do less Model 3s. So now Model Ys is coming online. Tesla Model 3 is sold like crazy. Last year they broke the record. He wants to sell over 500,000 cars this year. Giga 3 in China resumed working. Germany is down the line, so let's not count that. Cybertruck in a year and a half or two, let's say. So I think what he's trying to say, he cannot produce enough batteries. So obviously this is unusual. It goes to upstate New York. Usually all the presentations are in California. So it takes a lot of importance to the solar roof and solar glass roofs and all that and all those things. I would love to have one. So I'm not sure if this is a combination of two or this is two separate things. I feel it's a combination of two. Maybe you can tell me what you feel about that. If you reread the tweet and the quotes, I'm not sure what that is. Let me know your thoughts below. Thank you guys for watching, and see you tomorrow.